Hello, welcome back student. Today we are going to see the topic HTML document object model. Okay. In the last class we saw how to write the JavaScript syntax and how to use the JavaScript events, and we saw how to write the comment in the JavaScript, and we saw the simple interface. Okay, you can go to the previous video and see the previous video, then it will be easy for you to do here. Okay, next. So today we are going to see the HTML document object model. First one is JavaScript and the DOM, and second one is HTML DOM object, and third one is HTML DOM object, and fourth one is HTML DOM form elements. What are the form elements? And HTML DOM text, HTML DOM the document tree. This is very important. Okay, so this is some of the things are there, the JavaScript with the DOM, and DOM is with the HTML, that we will see in today's lecture. Okay, the first one, JavaScript and the DOM. What is DOM? DOM is nothing but document object model. Is a specification that determines a mapping between programming language objects and the elements of the HTML document. Okay, what is element? Element is nothing but like whatever you are writing, like P and hello slash P. This is called element. Okay, this is called element. Whatever you are writing between the tags, that is called element. So what it is doing? It is doing the programming language objects and the element of the HTML document mapping. Okay, so this is very important, the DOM, and not specified to JavaScript. Anything is JavaScript. It is not specifying anything to the JavaScript. The main working is document object is mapping programming language objects and the element of an HTML document. Okay, so this is a element. So let's move to next, HTML DOM objects. So in this, environment objects is window, navigator, screen, history, location, document. This all are the environment objects, okay, of the HTML DOM. In the HTML, the DOM objects are windows, navigator, screen, history, location, document. And what is HTML object? Like anchor. Anchor is, I hope you remember, A tag. A tag is, A stands for anchor, area, base, body, button, event, form, frame, frame set, iframe, image, checkbox, file upload, hidden, password, radio, reset, submit, text, link, meta, object, option, select, style, table, table cell, table row, table area. These all are HTML objects. Okay, like we already completed this in the first unit, how to add the checkbox, image, iframe, radio, submit, reset. These all are the HTML object. And what is this? Environment objects, and window, navigator, screen, history, location, and document. Okay, now HTML DOM document. So what is this? The document object represents an HTML document and can be used to access all documents in a page. A document contains several collections like anchor, forms, images, links, and has several properties. There are properties like body, cookies, domain, last modified, refer, title, URL. This all are the properties, and has several useful methods like get element by ID. This is very important. Get element by name, get element by tag name. You can see here, like see the first letter of every method is small letter, okay, like get here, here, okay, but the second word of that method, like get is one word, okay, get is one, element is second, by is a third, tag is a 4, and name is a 5. Means in this 5 words are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get elements by tag name. So here the first letter of every method, first letter of every method should be small. Get is small, and rest of the words in the method, every letter should be, every first letter should be capital. See, elements, E is capital, by, B is capital, tag, T is capital, name, N is capital. So remember this, whenever we have the methods, the first name of the method, whenever you can creating or already predefined methods, there all should be follow the rule. What is the rule? The first letter of the method should be small letter, and the rest of the words which the method name has, like every first letter should be capital, capital E, capital B, capital T, and capital N. Okay, and this is write, ln, open, close. So this is some several useful method and several useful properties, and here the several collections are there in the HTML DOM. Okay, the DOM object represent an HTML document and can be used to access all documents in a page. So this is a, once again I read this. So this will be like access all document in the page. Okay, so remember this, if you are writing in the exam also, you must see this thing. Okay, should not be small letter, the rest of the words first letter, the first letter of the from the second word in the method, every first letter should be capital. Okay, so here an instance of document is already created for you called document. Here we created the function, like in the last class we created some function. I shown you the example while clicking the buttons. Okay, we'll see again, we will do the practical also, and where C text is equals to document dot get element by ID is C, where F text is equals to document dot get element by ID F. Okay, and here we are giving input type is equals to text, ID C, by we are calling the ID with the C, where it is in the HTML code we have the C, on change is equals to change C. Okay, change capital C. Whatever the text you are going to give here, that will be reflect in this input. Okay, input type id f on change f, capital F is f. So, this is like how to get element by id, by name. Okay, just now we saw by name, by tag name, by id. Okay, so this is about the HTML DOM document. Okay, so now we'll move to the next one, HTML DOM form elements. So here, as you know, already we have completed in the HTML the form. In the form, one of the most common use of JavaScript is form validation. Okay, normally you saw whenever you fill the Google form or any kind of web application form, in that you saw the validation, required validation that you can give with the help of JavaScript. In the HTML also you can give, like you can write the in the tag if you write required required, if you write required in any tag, okay, then this should be mandatory, but here you cannot validate perfectly, because if it is required, if I am asking for the email, okay, example, if I am asking for the email, if the student is writing one, that also accepting by the HTML, but with the help of JavaScript we can give the validation like that should contain the @gmail or anything .com. Okay, you can validate like this with the help of JavaScript. Several HTML DOM classes encapsulated from the elements. So here the form, button, checkbox, hidden, password, text, radio, reset, submit, text area. Okay, so this is all are the encapsulated form elements. And warning, what is the warning? Just see here, using JavaScript is not a substitute for validating from data in CGI script. Okay, so this is common gateway interface. Okay, CGI script is nothing but common gateway interface. What did you understand by this? This is like command line interface. CLI, command line interface, is nothing but example is MS DOS. Like console applications are there that will be not validated with the help of JavaScript. This will be work in graphical user interface. Okay, and it is not suitable for character user interface. It is not suitable for this graphical user interface. For graphical user interface it is suitable JavaScript. Character user interface is, all this will come under in character user interface. Fine. Okay, so you can give the validation encapsulated and all the things to the form. This is a form elements. Next, the text entry field, you have to entry input type is text, is encapsulated by a text object. So whatever the text will be there, that will be encapsulated. Okay, this is a property of OOPS concept in the Java. I hope you understand this and you know this, one of the property of OOP concept. Okay, variables, value, maximum length, ID, size, name, tab index means table index, read only. There are variables are there. Okay. Changing these variables has an immediate effect the displaying the data. If you change the variables, then definitely that will affect the displaying the data. Okay. That will affect on the displaying the data. So, this is about the text, how to add the text. Input type is equals to text. When you are writing like this, then it is encapsulating by the text object. Okay. This is a very important topic, the document tree. Here accessing element and changing their properties, let us do simple thing like form validation, data transfer, etc. Okay. HTML DOM let us do much more. With the help of this, you can do much more things. We can create, delete and modify parts of the HTML document. For this, we need to understand the document tree. Okay. So, we need to see the document tree. So, here when you see the document tree, you will see, oh, this is a document. Okay. So, you will write like in HTML, you normally you will write exclamation doc type HTML, normally you will write. So, here the document and the root is HTML, doc type is HTML. When we have the HTML, in the HTML we will have the head, we have the body, okay, and what we will get in the head, we will have the title and we will write my title, okay, where the title tag will written in the heading tag, okay, in the head tag. And in the body tag, what are the things we are going to get, like a tag, anchor tag. In the anchor tag, the attribute is href. What is attribute? Attribute is nothing but like a href is equals to, you are going to give link like www.google.com. Okay, and you close this tag /a. So, this is href. Whatever you are going to write, I will change the color. Whatever you are going to write inside this opening tag, that is called attribute. What we call attribute. Anything, if you are writing ID, or if you are writing name, or if you are giving the color, BG color, okay, if you are writing style, something, that is called attribute. If you are writing anything in the opening tag itself, okay, so this is opening tag. From here to here is only one tag. Inside this opening tag is you are writing, that is called attribute, okay, and this is a closing tag. So, here my link, whatever the link is there, I will give h1 heading tag is my head, or you can write the paragraph tag and all the tags whatever we have studied in the first unit, okay, that all you can use here. Okay. This is a document tree structure or tree diagram. Okay. So, this is very simple, already we have done in the HTML. JavaScript, if you want to become a successful web developer, if you have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then you can learn any language like Python, or whatever the different languages are there, that you can easily understand, and as per your requirement you can modify with the help of this thing. Okay. Okay. Next, navigating the document tree. With JavaScript we can navigate the document tree. Okay. Document dot get element by ID, get element by name, and get element by the tag name, return node in the document tree. Just now we saw this, get element by ID, get element by name. I will show you this practical. Okay. Information can be obtained from node name, means the tag name, node value, the text of the text node, node type, the kind of node. Okay. So we will see the practical part. So here I install the VS Code. This is a Visual Studio Code or VS Code I installed. If you don't know about this Visual Studio Code, how to write the HTML code and all the thing, I will give the link, then you can see the video and you can download and you can use. Okay. So this thing in the last class we did this. Okay. Like function show confirm, confirm, are you sure you want to do this, yes or cancel. And we saw the scripting language, we use the array also in the previous lecture. Go and see the lecture, then you will easily understand about this. Okay. So here now the thing is, we are going to write one more function. Okay. Like I am creating okay, this is for the submit. Okay, no problem, I am creating the new one. In the new one, when you write exclamation mark here, sorry, exclamation mark, first you need to save the file, save, and give the name here DOM dot, give the small letter DOM dot HTML. But in the VS Code you don't need to write the HTML also here, just you go here and select the HTML, that's it, save. When I save the file, if I click exclamation document, okay, and here HTML, so here we will get HTML tag also. Okay. If you know the codes, then you can write the code like this, HTML, then head. It will be take so much time. So the simple way for getting the structure of the HTML in the VS Code, just simply you need to write the exclamation mark, okay, and you need to select the first one. Automatically you will get all the structure, whatever the structure of HTML, that you will display here. You no need to write again and again. Okay. Here we are performing JavaScript concept. Okay. My title is JavaScript concept, and whatever I want to write, I need to write here. Okay. So simply I am writing here like p tag. Okay. In the p tag I am writing, this is my paragraph. Okay, and I am giving the ID here, ID is equals to test. Okay, I am giving the ID is test. Now I need to go here, I need to use get element by ID, okay, or you can directly you can write, but I want to use the function, okay, as we did in the previous class. Like here, can you see here script we have written here. In the same way we need to write the script, we need to write the script, okay. So here we need to write script. In the script tag you need to write function, okay. This is function, okay. Function, no need of function. Without function, just simply we need to write this document dot get element by ID, document get element like this, get element by ID, okay. And what is our ID? Our ID is test, okay. Our ID is test. If you write here dot inner HTML, then you can see the result in place of this. This is my paragraph. You will get whatever you want to display is equals to here paragraph change, okay. I wrote it paragraph change. Here you need to write semicolon at the end, okay. Now let's save the file, Control S, save the file. Okay, here if I don't know where did I save the file, so you need to here go to the reveal file for Explorer. Automatically the file directly will go to that place, and I am opening this DOM. This is my paragraph, but here it is not changing anything. Why? Let's go back and check it. So here go back, document script, okay. We need to take the function, we need to take the function, and I am taking the function name is change, okay. I am taking the function name is change, and bracket open, Control X, in, Control V, okay. This is my function, and here I am taking one button, okay, button. I am taking the button, and in the button I am writing the code. So here first I will close this. So here I am writing the button function. On click function, I am using on click. What the function name? Change. I am calling this change function, okay, and I am giving the button name is click here, okay. I am giving the name click here. Now save the file, okay, file save, and go back to your page, here refresh. So here the button is there, okay. This is my paragraph, click here. When I am clicking here, nothing is performing. Just go back and check. So here whenever we have the text, you must write in double quote. Okay, you must write in double quote. If you have something addition or subtraction, example like 5 plus 5, so you no need of exclamation mark, sorry, double quotes. Okay, so here if we have the paragraph, if we write here paragraph changed with the change, let's save this file. Okay, and go back to file DOM. So here this is my paragraph. Okay, and click here. When I click, paragraph change. Okay, when I am clicking, the paragraph is changing. Refresh it, paragraph change. Refresh it, when I clicking, paragraph change. So with the help of this get element by ID, we are creating the ID here, and inner HTML change. In the HTML itself, we are changing. Okay, in the HTML code only we are changing with the help of get element by ID. Okay, this one. So this is like simple, and you can take the reference of W3 school also for more elaborate or more practical things. Okay, just I shown you one example like same this only, document.get element by ID C, and the ID is here. On change, on click, automatically it will perform. Okay, so this is about the document navigating the document tree. So this is about navigating the document tree, and what we have done today we have completed the HTML document object model. In that we saw the JavaScript and the DOM, and we saw HTML DOM objects. Okay, and we saw HTML DOM document, and we saw the form elements, and we saw the text input type is equals to text. HTML DOM is the document tree we saw, and we saw the navigate in the document tree. We saw like how to use the document dot get element by ID example also. Okay, thank you very much. We'll start the new topic, that is JSON, in the next class. Okay, thank you very much. If you did not subscribe the channel, and I will show you I will give you the link in the description of the VS Code installation. Okay, thank you very much.